A very famous Bollywood actress by the name of Kajol is known for her very smoky eyes, and I thought why not do that tutorial. So if you're interested, let's get into today's video. Start off, we're going to be priming our eyelids with the MAC Smooth Wear Concealer, and with the Sigma Cut Crease Brush, let's clean out the brow. And once you're done, apply some concealer onto the eyelid. This is NC 43.5. With the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and the shade Orange Soda, we're going to be applying that all over the lid. You can use a semi-dense brush for this step. Now with the Refer 14 brush and with the shade Rustic, we're going to be applying that to the outer V of the eye. Buff the shade towards the inner part of the eye. Apply some into the crease. Now with the Morphe A11 brush, which is a fluffy one, you can use anything. Just make sure you're blending the previous shade into the skin tone. Think of it as a transition shade. Now with the same shade Rustic, we're going to be applying that to the bottom lash line. With the shade Cypress Umber and using the Refer 14 brush, we're going to be applying that to the outer V. This is a trust the process tutorial, so take your time with it. Buff it with the fluffy brush again into your previous shade. Now with the precise brush like the Refer 03 brush, we are going to be going in to the shade Cypress Umber, and we're going to be focusing this close to the upper lash line. We are building up the smokiness gradually, so stay with me. Also, don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying it so far, and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials. And now going into the same shade, we are going to be blending that out. With the even more precise brush like the Refer 29, we're going to go into the shade Noir, and we're going to be applying that extremely close to the lashes. Back in with the shade Cypress Umber, let's blend that out. And now with the fluffy brush and the shade Noir, we're going to be deepening out the outer V. You can see the contrast is starting to add. Now back in with the Refer 29 brush and the shade Noir, we're going to be applying that close to the bottom lash line. You absolutely need this brush because it will change your entire makeup routine. Into the shade Cypress Umber, let's blend that onto the bottom lash line. And this is how your eye should look. Now with the shade Bronze, let's apply that onto the lid with a flat brush. And with the shade Fairy, let's apply that from the inner corner, blending in into the previous shade. And now with the shade Cypress Umber, let's blend that out softly into the shimmer. Take some on your other brush and blend it into the shimmer from the outer V. With the Pat McGrath Labs Perma Gel Eye Pencil in the shade Black Coffee, we're going to be lining the bottom lash line and also tight lining the upper lash line. Curl your lashes with any lash curler. And now go in with a mascara. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara. And this was my interpretation of Kajol's eyeshadow look. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.